I really like it because we have dogs, we have chickens, I have a sheep at the farm, we have all those stuff, and it's a great experience. I started my freshman year, and from the start, I knew that I wanted to get into agriculture. I want to be a livestock vet, so this was really helpful for me to get up there.
For veterinary, they learn to be a vet assistant. They take either the CVA or the animal science certification. So they end the class with certification. It's a 4-year course, and they learn how to care for small animals, large animals.
I want to be a large and small animal veterinarian, so this class helps me tremendously, teaches me everything I need to know from how to restrain an animal to what medicine to give them, and just learning about them in general, their behaviors and all their characteristics.
There's a lot to learn, honestly. It's how you care for animals, like certain diseases I could look out for, how to treat these animals, the realities of agriculture, the fun stuff, but also not so fun stuff. It's stuff like that that I like a lot.
And I just love the environment that it provides, and it's a great learning experience.
Getting the chance to work with a dog, work with reptiles that we bring in, or cats or anything at the farm. We have chickens, pigs, and sheep. So working with all of those teaches them so many things.
I think it's a good idea that schools have this program. Some people really bond more with animals than other people, and having this program provides that kind of sense of calmness, and because school can be stressful, so having dogs in the classroom is a great way to decompress and show kids that it's okay, you're gonna be okay.